Welcome to this tutorial on transforming a JavaScript function that accepts an array into a variadic function. This technique simplifies input handling, especially when dealing with functions like promise all, which require an array of arguments. Many built-in programs like promise all expect an array of arguments. By converting such functions into variadic functions, we can make them easier to use and more flexible. This code snippet demonstrates how to use closures to transform promise all into a variadic function. The function collectInto wraps the original function and collects all its inputs into an array. This step-by-step breakdown explains how collectInto works as a higher order function. It ensures compatibility between variadic inputs and functions expecting an array. The table shows various test cases to validate the functionality of a variadic PAL function. It handles multiple promises, a single promise, and even no arguments gracefully. The ES6 version leverages modern syntax for brevity and clarity. It demonstrates the power of the spread operator to handle variadic arguments seamlessly. This approach is particularly useful in scenarios like managing dynamic asynchronous workflows, creating reusable higher order functions, and improving code readability in functional programming. Summary: transforming array accepting functions into variadic functions is a simple yet powerful technique. It not only makes your code more intuitive, but also enhances its flexibility in handling dynamic inputs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.